What's good, my peeps? Got another Friday Night Lights $20 cash explosion. Simple numbers matching game. Match your numbers to the winning numbers. Got ticket number 5. There is a money back for instant win and a 20x. Overall odds are 1 in 3.09. All right. Scratching today with semi-scratching Ernie's coin. Check out this awesome coin. Yeah. Check out the link in the description. Hit him up. If you don't have him, go check his channel out. Awesome person. All right. Looking for a 48. Lonely one. 33, 34. My lucky 24, 27, and 11. All right. 38. Nope. Hawaii 5-0. Nope. 46. Nope. 31. Nope. LV Usos 8. Pirates Infinity. No help on this ticket. 44, got a 34 and a 24. 2, got a 1. Fancy Nancy's number 9, taste the rainbow. No help on this ticket. 5, nada. 32, 1 off of the 33. 41. 39. 49, 1 off. 45, nope. 6, no match. 11, got a match right there. There you go. 3, nope. 26, got a 27. 25, got a 24. 19, no match. Gotta do a little house cleaning here. All right. Last row. 47, got a 27, 48, 1 off. 23, got a 24, 1 off. 28, got a 27, 1 off. 22, got 11 and 33, no 22. And in the clutch, 42, nadas. So, all we have is the 11 that match, single match, money back, or 2.5 million. Well, let's hope it's more than just money back. All right. Looking, and we got AZ money back. All right, we'll take it. So 20 in, 20 out. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And don't forget to check out Semi-Scratchin Ernie. Awesome. This red part right here is like glittery. Can't see it because of the lights, but this coin is awesome. All right, guys. As always, thank you for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. And as always, stay blessed.